Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing and enabling Traffic Manager, President Edition. Make sure the mod versions match your game. Once done, open the TMPE interface and choose the lane arrows and junction tools. You will click the target road segment, enable edit mode, and flip lane directions to set one-way flow. Do this now so traffic routes change immediately. This first step redefines vehicle paths and prevents conflicting entry points, which is why you must set arrows before adjusting signs or priorities. Once lane directions are established, refine each lane with lane arrows and lane connectors so vehicles choose correct turns and avoid unnecessary lane changes. Make sure to place priority or yield signs at intersections to control merging behavior. This reduces accidents and backups. Next, adjust local speed limits to match road class, and use timed traffic lights at complex junctions to smooth flow during rush hours. These steps tune vehicle behavior, so your one-way scheme actually improves travel time and reduces congestion. You finish by testing the network. Run the simulation, watch peak movement, and note choke points. Make iterative tweaks to lane arrows, priority signs, and traffic light timings until flow stabilizes. Save a configuration so you can revert if needed. If traffic worsens, first reset junction rules for the affected intersection, then check for mod conflicts or outdated assets and reload the map. A single wrong connector or conflicting rule often causes jams, so isolate that intersection and reapply one-way logic carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.